Hello bright champs. Welcome to the Kiddies World. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक exciting grammar topic जो करेगा आपकी English को super strong. So get ready to explore pronouns. Let's jump into our lesson. Pronouns are special words we use instead of names to avoid repeating them again and again. Words which can be used in the place of nouns and noun expressions are called pronouns. Like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We can use pronouns to talk about a single person or thing, or more than a single person or thing. Let's now learn about personal and object pronouns. We use personal pronouns to talk about people or things. If you're talking about just one, we say I, you, he, she, or it. And when we talk about more than one, we say we, you, or they. We use object pronouns to talk about people or things that receive the action in a sentence. If someone is receiving an action, we use me, it, him, or her. And for more than one, say us, you, or them. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. We are going to replace the nouns on the left side with the correct pronouns on the right side. Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith is one person, a man. So instead of saying Mr. Smith again and again, we use the pronoun he. Mr. Smith, he. Card is a thing, not a person. For things, we use the pronoun it. Card, it. Scott is a boy's name. One boy means we use the pronoun he. Doctor can be a man or a woman, so we can use he or she, depending on who the doctor is. Pen. A pen is a thing, and for things, we always use it. Pen, it. Teachers. Teachers means more than one person, so we use the pronoun they for people in plural. Teachers, they. Natalie. Natalie is a girl's name, so we use the pronoun she for her. Natalie, she. Dogs are animals and there's more than one, so we use the pronoun they for them. Dogs, they. Let's do one more fun activity. Let's practice replacing nouns with pronouns. Sentence 1. Harry is a naughty boy. Harry talks a lot in the class. Now listen, the name Harry is repeated. We don't need to say his name again. Harry is a boy, so we can use the pronoun he instead. The new sentence is, Harry is a naughty boy. He talks a lot in the class. Sentence 2. My pet dog likes milk. My pet dog can have it all day. Here, my pet dog is used twice, but it's one animal, so we can use the pronoun it instead. The new sentence is, my pet dog likes milk. It can have it all day. Sentence 3. My friend and I missed the school bus, so my friend and I could not attend school yesterday. Now that's a lot of repeating. We're talking about my friend and I together, so we use the pronoun we. The new sentence is, my friend and I missed the school bus, so we could not attend school yesterday. Awesome work, Class 3 champs. आज का लेसन था full of learning और थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी. लाइक जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में मिलता है फन लर्निंग का मैजिक। चलो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सुपर टॉपिक के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों, पढ़ते रहो, हंसते रहो।